Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
And welcome back, everyone. Unfortunately, this weekend could end a lot like last weekend with some really rough weather. In fact, here's a look at tomorrow's severe potential. SPC boys thinking that a slight risk here for most of western and west central North Dakota. Once you get on the other side of Highway 83, a good chance. That's why we're in the slight region. That's scattered thunderstorms with a couple of them possibly becoming severe. None of that right now, just kind of a hazy night out there in the capital city. 90 degrees, just 5 off of that all-time record high set in 1987. 1959, it dipped to 39. And on this day in 1953, Bismarck actually had a trace of snow on June 13th. That is wild. 93 in the Magic City today. Look at that record high in 1979, 104. That is a scorcher. Satellite radar picture for us is nice and quiet, just on the very fringe of the viewing area. Northwestern Daniels County, we had a thunderstorm roll through. That's about it for the action tonight. It was severe further to the south, but kind of losing its punch as it traveled toward the Canadian border. Their temperatures right now, not too bad, still quite warm. 77 right now in the capital city, 74 in the Minot area, 85 in Sydney. Still 9 o'clock out there for those folks, but it is still mighty warm. Look at Wolf Point, 87 still at 9:19 Mountain Time right now, still 80 in Mobridge. So it is warm, and in some places the dew points are high, so it feels a little sticky out there. Winds are still quite strong out of the southeast at between 20 and 25 miles an hour, still 30 in Beach, but the wind advisory was allowed to expire. Here's a look at some of those higher gusts we've recorded. 43 in Beach recently, 30 in Garrison and Minot, 30 in Crosby, and 24 right now in Harvey. These are some of the storm reports in terms of strong winds today. We just had one in our area. That was in the Williston area here today. You can see there 58 miles an hour at 6:13. Right as pretty much we were doing KX News at 6, we had that recorded wind gust of 58 miles an hour. Here's this system that's going to be impacting us for tomorrow. That's going to be the trigger mechanism for those showers and storms kind of along this boundary as it kind of rolls through here. Again, a couple of variables that I'm concerned about tomorrow. The amount of cloud cover we get in the early part of the day could limit the shower and thunderstorm possibility. That is kind of in the cards there, but still watching for a couple of strong to possibly severe thunderstorms developing tomorrow evening, mostly between probably 3 and 10 o'clock. Still will have gusty winds throughout the day tomorrow. Probably not as bad as today, but still quite gusty until that cold front rolls through and those winds slowly subside. Lows tonight will be about 10 to 15 degrees above where they should be, stuck in the 60s. Not the best night for sleeping. You'll probably need to keep the air conditioner on. Here's the 3-day forecast for Dickinson. You can see the chance for those storms tomorrow night. Sunny on Monday, and then another pop-up storm on Tuesday. Same thing in the Williston area. Pretty good chance of those showers and storms tomorrow, and then sunshine for your Monday. 85, though, for Tuesday with those thunderstorms. And it's going to get warm in Bismarck, too. You can see on Tuesday, 88 degrees as we creep toward the first day of summer next Saturday. That's right, folks. It's finally here. For many of us, it is the longest day of the year. So if you're a glass half empty guy, as we look at the Minot 7-day, you can say that the days will slowly start getting shorter, Renee, after next Saturday.
Oh, we're not going to look at it that way, Robert. Thanks so much. Coming up next in sports, a busy day on the diamond. We'll have all the highlights from the 2 local tournaments.